let's do draw or make candy folding surprise. So we need some different kind of red marker or pencil or paint stick or crayon or. Now let's get started today. First, let's fold our paper. So then, because it might be a little bit big, take your top, flap it right on the bottom edge. To repeat again, and repeat it again 3 times. But last fold was a guy fold, so fold it and file it out. So we need to play. You can ask a grown-up to make you, or you can cut out over the plate, or that's what we did, but you can make it yourself. My mom made it for me, so we need a ruler or a roller. Now we need to connect it with the ruler too. So now I have a eraser. Maybe erase this line. So now let's take the ruler again and make the little line. Now where's my little eraser? Maybe erase this one. So now we have to do is put our eraser back, then get our ruler again, and connect this little thing. And now let's switch to our eraser again and make these little lines that we have now. See? Now it's right there. And I have it. Just shoot up a little bit when you're all done. It's just like the stove. And now what you have to do is draw this little line by your own or with a grown up. So if you've made a mistake, just correct it or erase it. Correct it or erase it. Get this little clover leaf. My mom cut it out for me. So get to the really bottom. And now we need to let's make a guy right here. And now we need to make a guy right here. So now we have to is make a big heart over here. And now I have to draw the words Happy Canada Day. And I want a little bit closer. There. I know. So H. We also need to put an exclamation mark at the end. Now let's draw their heart. That are red. We'll trace red. That are what are different colors. I would trace black. So, and I'll add a little bit of talk at the end when I finish this. So I'm going to color it in, and you can pause the video when we color it in. So we're going to fast forward, yeah. No, draw. No, stop interrupting me. I might color these black, so don't interrupt me. I just do something else so that may not beautiful. I'm done, and I'm going to color. Want to color them in with this. This is just so they'll be beautiful, more beautiful. So I'm coloring in with this kind of color, and I'm going to trace with this. So then I'm just going to do this and. Do it seriously, just to make it more fancy. So fast forward again, just a couple bit faster. Maybe I will add some eyes to Cloverleaf into here. I don't know. So fast forward again, a little bit quicker. To color it in. So put it fast forward. Yeah. Once colored in, way better, okay? We'll see. It'll be way better. Now let's color the other maple leaf. Let's color the hearts in. So we're done. 1, 2, 3. Happy Canada Day. So we'll just add a couple bit bit more things. Just a couple. Where's my black marker? To erase. Okay. So now let's draw the eyes and the nose. And the mouth. And look how cool it is. We finished our balloon surprise, so if you want to watch more of my videos, what I have to do is just a minute. If you want to spell my name together, yeah, L-E-V, left. Well, see you soon. Bye-bye. Happy Kinder Day!